Ever wondered what cybersecurity is and why it's so important? Well, buckle up for a deep dive into the world of digital protection. Imagine a world where your most sensitive information, everything from your banking details to your personal emails, is under constant threat from unseen forces. A world where your every move online could potentially lead to a breach of your privacy. Sounds like a dystopian science fiction novel, doesn't it? But in fact, this is the reality of the digital age. This is where cybersecurity steps in, acting as a digital knight in shining armor, protecting and shielding your information from these threats. Cybersecurity, at its core, is the practice of safeguarding systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, interrupting normal business processes, or extorting money from users. Now, why is cybersecurity important, you may wonder? In today's interconnected world, everyone benefits from advanced cyber defense programs. At an individual level, a cybersecurity attack could result in everything from identity theft to extortion attempts, to the loss of important data like family photos. Everyone relies on critical infrastructure like power plants, hospitals, and financial service companies. Securing these and other organizations is essential to keeping our society functioning. Moreover, everyone has a role to play in cybersecurity. From deciding not to click on a suspicious link, to reporting a missing device, to inventing a new security solution, every action has a real-world impact on our collective security. So, to sum it all up, cybersecurity is the digital shield that protects our sensitive information from cyber threats. It's crucial because it encompasses everything that pertains to protecting our sensitive data, personally identifiable information, protected health information, personal information, intellectual property, data, and governmental and industry information systems from theft and damage attempted by criminals and adversaries. The key points to take away from this are: cybersecurity is the safeguard of systems, networks, and programs from digital threats. It is critical in our interconnected world to protect against potential cyber attacks. Everyone has a role to play in cybersecurity, and every action we take can have a real-world impact on our collective security. So next time you're browsing the internet, remember the unseen digital shield working tirelessly to protect your information. Cybersecurity, after all, is not just a concept, but a crucial line of defense in our digital world.